We're here at the LazyH, doing a little review on the AnyGlide. We've had it now for probably 2 weeks. Clean, it looks good, it's working great. Haul all my tools in it. Last week we had probably 5 inches of rain in 2 days and everything stayed dry. Nothing shifts around. I love every minute of it.
Hi, I'm LazyH with the City of Sioux Center Parks Department. We just installed an AnyGlide box on our 2019 John Deere Gator, and we're going to be using this for the maintenance of our Parks Department. We're excited to see how it works for us.